And welcome to another video from Audio Vision. Alright, so this video we're doing about the Latitude E6420, so which I made it part 1 that I had planned to upgrade the RAM, the hard drive, the operating system, and do also some repair on the laptop because it was not working, so there was some water corrosion on it. So that is resolved. I received the parts which I actually ordered. So that is the display bezel has been replaced. The palm rest I've replaced, and also the bottom case of chassis is actually replaced as well. So that is actually with the old one is broken from the side here. So no, the laptop setup is now finished. So it looks quite amazing, and it is on a working order as well. However, I was unable to update the BIOS because due to water corrosion, there is some damage on a motherboard, so I cannot actually use the battery on it. So when I use the power charger and the battery, it will actually trip off. So for that reason, I couldn't actually update the BIOS. And that means that I couldn't actually go for the project which I had to operate triple operating system on it. So I couldn't do that. So at the moment, this laptop is running with Windows 10 and Linux, Ubuntu to be precisely. And I couldn't do that. I didn't update it. I couldn't update the BIOS. I couldn't actually install Macintosh on this laptop, which was actually initially planned for this laptop. But of course, I need maybe some new motherboard, or need to spend more time to fix the motherboard, because that is actually hold me back from my original plan. So let's show you guys the laptop. So that is the laptop, how it looks now back. So it looks quite amazing. So if you see that there is no single scratch on it, that is the new back case. So and also the side panel, which was before used to be broken, so it is not with the new chassis. It looks very amazing. So let's open up the laptop. Okay, so that is now the laptop itself inside. So it looks very amazing. I'm actually pretty happy with my own result. All right, so okay, maybe you saw already glance of the ring light as well. So that is so this part of the video, for the first time I'm using my Nvidia LED ring light, Canon M50, and also not to forget the Comica V30. So this part I just made it with all the equipment that I wanted to use. So also the next part then will be, of course, I filmed it with my iPhone, back with my iPhone, because it was like mounted on ring light, and I used for the operation part I use actually my iPhone. Because the Canon M50 is an amazing piece, but the battery is dying quickly, so I need maybe to order the second battery as well to when I want actually to make some movies or some videos for YouTube, so I can just use for a long time. So that is actually one of the minus part of the M50s, or actually all the system cameras. So mirrorless cameras, because that's what M50 is. Alright, just let's talk back about this laptop E6420. So because I couldn't update the BIOS, it means that I actually pushed some of my plans. The initial plan was actually to update this laptop also with a 250 SSD, so it was like 500 SSDs, and total one of them was a Crucial 250, and another one was Samsung 250. So I can't do that as well. So I downgraded in total now to 2 SSDs again. So I received the caddy for hard drive as well. So that is and moved the DVD drive, so there's no caddy in place. That's the caddy. So in the caddy I got 125 GB Samsung SSD, and also I got 180 Intel SSD as well. So both operating systems are installed on one 80 gigabyte Intel SSD. It works amazing. So okay guys, so as you can see that yeah, this laptop is running. To run this laptop I need always remove the battery, so that is one of the minus parts. So I will be still looking to fix that issue. Maybe I need to repair the motherboard, or maybe I need to just buy it, but I will try to repair the motherboard. But to do that I need the heat gun. I need to purchase the heat gun to fix the motherboard. So it will be some auto project as me for me. Sorry, it will be some auto project actually for me. So God. Okay, so that is just to show you guys that yeah, this laptop just working perfectly. It's amazing piece. I just worked last night with it and done some work on it. Like I had some hard drives which was not working with my Windows and also with my Mac. And when I just connected to the Linux just found that there was some error. Just with one snap, all of them was fixed. And now I got some extra hard drive as well, external hard drives that I can use. Alright, so that was it actually about the Dell E6420. Okay, so yeah, maybe you guys wondering that why I got my smartphone on my hand. That is actually I'm using the Canon app on my smartphone, so I can just literally control my my M50 with my smartphone. I got them now mounted on the stand, and I can just control it from here. I can just stop and record from my smartphone. One more thing, maybe that you guys just saw it, that I got here. It's a nice gaming mouse gaming pad, which I actually customized with the background of my with the wallpaper of my laptop and a screen actually that I'm using self, so it's customized with my logo. So if you guys are interested, you can just order it. I will be putting some links on that as well shortly. If someone interested, please just feel free to reach out to me, and I will just make sure that you will get same mousepad or with some other design if you want it. Just to say the custom size of this, that is 30 by 90, so it is 90 centimeter long and 30 this height. So yeah guys, so that was it actually, a video about the Dell E6420. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and visit my channel regularly. Thank you very much.